This is Superpowered Nerds, and today we got an Orbeetle V box. Here's the box. Very nice looking box. Here's the back of the box. It was $19.99 retail. Did find it retail, which is very hard these days. So let's see what we got. No 2 Vivid Voltage come in here for sure, and then we'll see the other packs. It'd be awesome if 4 Vivid came on, but I don't think we have that luck. But hopefully we got that luck on our card openings. So we'll slide that out. We'll get the promos out. Snap this little piece off. Very loud. Drop her out like so. And there is your Orbeetle promo. Very cool. You know what's cooler? A mega Orbeetle promo. Very nice. We'll give this to my son for his mega promo card collection. Cool. Alright. And the promos, actually, there is a promo. Right there. The boosters. Vivid Voltage, Sun and Moon, Vivid Voltage, and a Darkness Ablaze. I did not see that coming. Ooh. We're going to have to mix this one up. So we're going to go Sun and Moon. We're going to go Pikachu at the end, Darkness Ablaze, and then Vivid Voltage. So we'll put these aside. We'll start off with Sun and Moon. Alright. Hopefully we get the... just a hyper rare. Let's go for that A hyper rare. That would be sick. That would be sick. Alright. Pull the promo. Gotta go. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. And we're starting off with the Electric Energy. My favorite energy. So that's good luck. Great Ball. A Boldor, Lily, Snubble, Cutiefly, Drowsy, Rowlet, a Reverse Primarina, and the rare, whoa, a Holo Serena. I don't even have this card. This is cool. Not bad to start. A holo. Very nice holo. I like that glimmer. Look at that. Shing, shing. Very nice. Put that aside. Good pull. Good pull to start. Now let's get on to the Vivid Voltage. Pull that to the side so we can get all focused on this. Okay. There's only one thing to do but break it open. Whoop. Done messed up. Actually, I'm going to leave that one out because people say stuff. So that's a Macargo. Now we only got 1, 2, 3 to the front. We have Energy. Trumbeak. Hitmontop. Love that Pokemon. A Yanma. Galarian Meowth. Duskull, Voltorb, colored pencil style, a Weedle. Yes! We got an amazing rare. Very nice, Zacian. Now I do have this amazing rare, but hey, we can trade. We can trade. And I'm never gonna not take an amazing rare. Very nice pull. Very nice start. And the rare? A Vaporeon. Awesome evolution from Eevee. Very nice. Look at that sparkle. Wow. Let's get him a little closer. Wow. Cool. Okay. On to the next. We're starting off pretty good. Vaporeon, Serena, Zacian. It'd only be crazy if we pull the Charizard. It'd only be crazy. I'd lose my mind. Okay, Darkness Ablaze. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. Fighting Energy. Vanilla-ish. Ursaring. Meltan. Marini. A Purloin. Starly. Aaron Rodgers. And Reverse Larvesta. And the rare? Ooh, a Corviknight. Hollow. We are on a roll. I don't have a Corviknight also. Very nice card. Very nice. Not the Charizard, but it's still a hollow. So we got a hollow, an amazing, and a hollow. There's only one way to top it off. Something even crazier. In a fat Pikachu pack. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned till next time on Dragon. Not promoting another show, so I'll stop there. Alright, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Might get copyrighted, you never know. I don't know these days. I don't know. Alright, we got a Water Energy. All I can promote is super powered nerds. We got a Metang. Clobbopus. A Skiddo. A Shuppet. Feral Seed. A Joltik. Can we get another amazing rare? Can we get another amazing rare? We will find out in this next card. Oh, it's a reverse Wooper. And the rare is an Orbeetle VMAX. Way to top it off. Very nice full art. Nice. Super cool. Wow. That full art feels really good. It looks pretty good. Grading wise, pretty centered. Corners look amazing. This might be a 10. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, we have plenty of videos on our main channel. Well, this is the main channel, Superpower Nerds. Check it out. Like, comment, subscribe. And until next time.